Okay, so now we're going to start using some of the help keys. Now this one here with the little question mark on it, that's the button you use to get to your help keys. And these are your options. You've got your operation guide, sewing guide, pattern explanation, and video options. Boy, that literally is it for that whole page as it just goes into. So this is going to tell you if you have any questions specifically about operating a machine.
Go into it.
What?
Go into it.
Well, no, that's the next button.
Oh.
See. Option 2 is your sewing guide. This is for if you're not sure which stitch you want to use. And I think you actually have to be in the sewing mode in order to go into the sewing guide. Option 3 is pattern explanation. It's going to give you an explanation of the stitch that is selected. And option 4 is video. This is tutorial videos, tutorial videos on the machine itself. Basically everything I'm doing now, the machine will do for you. I could literally stop right now having shown you that. I won't, but I could. And that's it. That's how you get to your sewing machine help section.